I am on cloud 9 right now. I am so ecstatic because we just officially entered into a partnership with a company that has been such a big part of my leathercraft career. And this is going to have a big effect on our day-to-day business. But first, lunch.
I'm free from living lies, free from my own deception, headed the right direction.
6 years ago, I started getting into leather work. I had no idea where to start, what to do. I walked into this store and they had everything I needed. It really helped kickstart where we are today.
Doors open, doors closed.
So that very company has agreed to partner with us to support our videos and help us kind of push this along. And that is the Tandy Leather Factory. Just walking around here, I'm already seeing so many projects that I can't wait to do. A lot of these books are just invaluable. Al Stolman right here, he's one of my favorite leather workers of all time. That dude's a hero. Oh, do I need some of that?
Yeah.
Let's see. Satin sheen. All right, get it. For those of you that are a little bit unfamiliar with me and my family, my wife Whitney and I, together we run Stock and Barrel. We design and produce leather goods like bags, wallets, and lots of other different accessories. The source of inspiration for our brand comes from the classic, rugged appeal of the old American West. It's kind of our take on modern products with the traditional technique that goes into the craft of Western tack and saddlery. I started filming videos to document as much as I could the process of learning the craft as well as building a business around it. What's going on, guys? I wanted to capture as much of it as possible in hopes that it would allow others to learn from our mistakes and our victories. I've always felt that there was a lot more value in community rather than competition. And everyone that has jumped on board and has supported us and shown us so much love is a true testament to that. A couple days ago, 20,000 subscribers. I had no idea how much value these videos would bring to our lives. Through all of the friends that we've made and through all of the opportunities that have opened up to help our business grow and flourish. My hope is to keep throwing fuel on the fire of this amazing maker community. And now Tandy is making it possible for me to dedicate more time to create content with the sole purpose of helping others learn leathercraft, and for those interested, building a business around your work. With the help of Tandy, our goal is to make a big, positive impact in the maker community. We would love to travel around the country and have meetups with all of you in Tandy stores. We're gonna be doing giveaways. We'll be doing lots of tutorials and other helpful video content. There are so many ways that we're gonna be able to connect with you. This is gonna be a win-win-win all the way around. All of this, every single aspect of everything that's happening right now is 100% credited to you. You, the person with your eyeballs attached to the screen. It is all because of you that we're able to make this happen. Tandy's been around for about 100 years now. They've been such a strong force in the leathercraft community. I remember walking into a Tandy for the first time and I had zero clue what to buy, what I was gonna make, what tools I needed, what leather to buy. And one of their kind employees just took me under their arm and she walked me all around the store, gave me really good advice and helped me figure out what tools I would need. I was able to buy everything I needed, and the beautiful thing is most of the tools that I'm still using today are from that original trip that I took to a Tandy about 6 years ago. There's a special place in my heart for Tandy Leather Factory, and I'm just so excited to partner with them. This isn't just like your average sponsored post. Tandy's like family to us, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them. We love them for joining up with us. We love you all for joining up with us. Let's do this thing. Thank you all so much. You have no idea what your support means to us. We got some good things ahead. We'll see you there.